Welcome to our channel. My name is Oral Mackenzie, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to add a header banner ad to your WordPress website, one that look like this. On this channel I teach social media marketing and help you solve your everyday tech problems. You know I like sharing my knowledge with you because I strongly believe that knowledge is power and I want to empower you all. So if it's your first time here, I love for you to subscribe to our channel. If you're always wondering how exactly you can do this video is for you. So all you have to do is stay tuned. So welcome back to our channel. So if you notice right here I have this beautiful Google AdSense. Let me just show you. I have this AdSense banner ad up here and it fit perfectly. And also I have some skyscraper here, and I also have some footer ad down the bottom of the site right here. So I'm going to show you exactly you can do that on your WordPress website and start earning from Google AdSense. So the first thing you would want to do is to create the ad. So what you have to do is to actually go over to your Google AdSense and actually sign into your Google AdSense. And what you want to do is to actually go to My Ads. So here I'm going to My Ads and I'm just waiting for it to load. And while it's loading, I want to inform you or remind you that if you have a Google AdSense account that is a hosted account, you're not allowed to put ads onto your website before you verify your AdSense account to let it be a non-hosted AdSense account. And that is actually another video, entire video, but I already have a video like that, so I'm gonna put a link to that video up here to show you how to get your hosted Google AdSense account verified so you can start putting ads on your website. One other thing to bear in mind also, sometimes when you create your website, especially if you're using WordPress themes, the developer will put a robot.txt block onto the theme, and you're not aware of that and you don't deactivate it. So when you apply to Google AdSense, the ads is not appearing. So I'm going to also put a link to a video right here that to show you how you can actually delete robot.txt file from Search Console and what it is all about. So check out those two links before you proceed to put in the ad on your site and ensure that everything is up and running. So what we want to do now is that we want to create our ad. So what we want to do is to click right here where we have new ad unit. So if I click on new ad unit, and I'm just going to give that a few seconds to get loaded. So what we want to do is to click right here we have text and display ad, in feed and in article ad. What we're interested in is text and display ad. So we'll click on select, and then it's going to take us to a page to create the ad. So the first thing you want to do is to name the ad. So I'm just going to name this um, example. Just going to name this example. And what you want to do now is to choose the one that is best suited for your site. So you have the leaderboard right here, and you have the large rectangular, large mobile banner, you have the large skyscraper. The skyscraper is the one that I have at the side. Let me show you. So the skyscraper is this one right here that fit neatly at the side of your content. So this is a skyscraper. Let me click back over here. And this one is the one that I have up the top. This one is a responsive one, and I suggest that you use this one, because what this one does is that anywhere you put it, it will adjust to fit the size of where you put it. So instead of using this one, if you use this one, it's not going to show good on a mobile phone. It's going to hang out, or it's not going to be fitted properly on the mobile screen. So what you do, you want to use this one, and it will fit properly on your mobile screen and also on your desktop. So go ahead and select it, and what you want to do is that you can put text on, you can put text style and stuff like that or whatever, but I'm not going to go into the custom part of it for this part. And all you have to do is to click save and get code. So I click save and get code, and then it will show you that ad unit successfully create. So to get the code, all you have to do is to click in the middle and right click on it and copy the code. And then you want to head over to your actual WordPress backend. So you want to sign into the backend of your WordPress site. I'm already signed into the backend of my WordPress site. And if you're not sure how to get the skyscraper on the side and the footer, you can use your widgets. So you just go to appearance and go to widgets and set up your widgets. But that's an actual different video. But if you want, I can actually put a card right here to a video for that. So to get with most WordPress website, they will give you sidebar widgets and footer widgets. But I have not actually seen one with the header widgets. You would have to implement a code for that or stuff like that. So I'm not going to go into implementing a code for a widget. What I did is to just paste the code into the code section of the website and it appear. So what you want to do is to come to appearance and then you're going to go to the editor. And this is a disclaimer while the editor is loading this video. You don't want to delete anything from the coding. And if you're not fully knowledgeable about coding or website development, you need to get assistance from somebody who is certified in doing so. Because if you make a mistake anywhere in the coding, the site will go down. So now that this load, what we want to do is to actually go to where you have theme header. What you want to do is to click on theme header. I was just waiting for it to load right now. And it should open in a few seconds. And notice what they said. Editing this code is highly discouraged. Proceed with caution. So then you want to click on proceed. And what you want to do is to actually paste the code right after where you have start header. So right after where you have start header and you have header right there, you want to paste the code right here that you have. So I've already pasted my code there. But you want to add a little addition to the code because you don't want the banner to be off to the side, the left hand side or the right hand side. You want it to the center. And all you have to do is to add a simple code to it for it to center and look just like mine. So it's an open bracket right here, then the forward slash, then BR, which means break, then you close that. Then you open the bracket again and you type in the word center and then you close it. Every time you open a code, you have to close it. And that will get the banner to center. And then you will paste the code right here. So you'll paste the code. So this is my code. So bear in mind that the code starts at script and end at script. The code end right at this script. So what you want to do is to close back the center. So you have to put open bracket again forward slash to close the center. Put the word center and put the close bracket to close that part of the code. So once you paste the code here, you should be good to go. And a little tip not to make any mistake with the code. Before you paste the code, what you can do, you can actually just click where you're going to paste this code and create some space in it. So like I create 1, 2, 3, 4 space in there and paste the code so that there is no problem and you don't delete anything from the code. Because remember, if you delete anything, the site could go down. And after you finish pasting the code, what you want to do is to actually scroll down and click on upload file or save changes, whichever option you get based on the theme that you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save changes. And as soon as you save changes, you can actually head over to your site and see if a yellow spot will appear right here or the code will appear. Normally, sometimes it appears in a few minutes, other time it take up to an hour to 2 hours, but then you will see your code appear up here. But to check if the code is actually working, what you'll do, you go back to your AdSense and you look to see where you have active. So if you look in active, you're going to notice that if you see active, you notice that the code is ready. But if you see new, you know that the code is not actually ready as yet. It's not appearing on the website. But once you see active, you know it's appearing on the website. So that's basically how you would do it. So thank you for making it to the end of this video. And if the information I provide to you was valuable and you learned something, I implore you to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any more of our upcoming videos. You can hit the like button and you can share this video if you want. But also I would like to hear from you in the comment section what you think about this video. And if you would like to watch more videos from this channel, if you look around on your screen, you can see some options. You can just click on any one of them. Thank you for watching.